Welcome to Wolf Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Comes in an onyx black exterior with a jet black interior. It has 3M rock chip protection on the bumper, hood. It is the 4-door pickup seating 5. Has a 6.2 liter V8 engine with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Making our way into the front of the vehicle, you have your blind spot indicator right there on your side mirror. Memory seat controls just above your handle. Power folding side mirrors and power windows with child locks. Nice big Bose speaker down at the bottom with 2 spare cup holders and 2 storage compartments. Door panels made up of a black leather with a wooden insert. Both front seats are powered in a black leather. You have your Denali stitched in the headrest. Steering wheel is a black leather wrap as well. With all of your tow controls as well as your 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive switch there. You got your Denali badge in the center, which is chromed. Heated steering wheel, gap adjustment, and cruise control over on the left. On the right is your voice control as well as all your menu selection. This truck is turnkey to start, so foot down on the brake. There you go, you have your digital display in the center with your 2 analogs on either side. Touchscreen infotainment system, as you can see here. You have your AM, FM, and Bluetooth. As here you have your navigation as well with your map. Also comes with a nice backup camera. All of your audio controls there. Traffic controls, My GMC. Just underneath you have your CD player. Both front seats are heated and cooled. You have your dual zone climate control as well. Your foot pedal adjuster, traction control, bed light, park assist, lane keeping assist, as well as going down steep hills. You can press that and that'll give you a hand. You have USB ports and power banks down at the bottom here. Nice deep storage compartment right in the front with 2 cup holders. Wireless phone charging in your leather wrapped center console. That flips up. And now you have an even bigger center console with a lot more storage space, auxiliary and USB ports. Rear view mirror. You have your sunglass compartment just up top here. Sunroof controls as well as your universal garage opener just at the front. Overhead lighting. You have your little speaker right up there for your voice control. Illuminated vanity mirror as well as sun visor for both the passenger and driver. And this truck also comes with a very nice sunroof going over the 2 front seats. You also have your manual shade cover. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 20-inch GMC rims on summer tires. You have your chromed side mirror there. Chrome handle grip, side steps on either side, got your gas tank as well, side step on the rear bumper, badging along the rear is chromed, backup camera just underneath the handle. You have your nice undercoated truck bed as well with your Denali logo on the back, bed cover as well. Just flips back up. This truck also comes with a tow hitch down at the bottom. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, we have the same black leather with the wooden insert, chrome handle grip, 3 storage compartments as well as a speaker down at the bottom. Rear seats are also the black leather. You have your center console that can flip right down for 2 cup holders. Lots of extra storage space at the rear of the center console with a power bank. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Overhead lighting in the ceiling as well as your roof handle grips. This truck is also outfitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the truck, you got your exhaust going out here. This truck comes with mud flaps along the rear, chrome underneath the windows, chromed badging as well. Got your antenna just in front of the front passenger as well as your shark fin above the drivers. Chromed front grille with the badge in the center. You got a pair of tow hooks down at the bottom and a license plate cover right in the front. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this truck, check us out on our website at wolfcadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Road. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.